Hi Bells, welcome back to my channel. So, I hadn't really planned on filming tonight, which would be why my makeup is very worn and my hair looks like this and I'm wearing my pajamas. But when I got home from work and getting Eli a haircut, I saw something on my porch that I wasn't expecting to get until tomorrow. Yay! So I wanted to dive into it, and really show you guys what I have because it does have possibly a surprise in it for you all as well. So without further ado, we have the 2019 Spring FabFitFun box. Yay! Super excited about this. If you don't know what a FabFitFun box is, it is a seasonal subscription box that you get that is full of all kinds of different things. Beauty, fitness. I mean, it's got everything. I love this box. It's so awesome. And it's so cute. Every month or every season when I get it, I'm like, oh, look at the box. Like, I kind of want to keep the box because it's so pretty. But then I'm like, what would I do with all these boxes? Okay, so I downloaded the app because I have a discount code for you guys, which makes me feel so official and special. Ignore the fact that once you sign up, they'll give you a discount code too. But hey, $10 is $10. So I will put a link to the $10 off coupon in the description box as well so that you guys can get $10 off your first subscription. And the cool thing about FabFitFun is I used to get it a long time ago, and you can stop it at any time. You can just buy one box. You can buy extra things to have put in your box. You can basically just shop online with it. And I just thought that was neat. And all of the boxes are like geared towards that season. So like the spring box is getting you ready for summer. The summer box is getting you ready for fall. The fall box is getting you ready for winter. The winter box is getting ready for spring. Does that make sense? So they're $49.99 4 times a year. And with the link below, you will get $10 off. So you can get your first box for $39.99. And what is in here is going to far outweigh $39.99. It is very much worth it. These are actually full-size products in here. They are not trial sizes, and that's what I really like about FabFitFun is that I'm getting the actual product. Because a lot of times trial sizes aren't really enough for you to use long enough for you to really tell a difference in anything. So, all of that being said, if you want to see what's in this box, keep watching. Let's open this up. I'm so excited. I just saw something in here that I know what it is. Okay. So this is like a little magazine. It has a couple articles in it. So it comes wrapped in this little paper. But I see something peeking out that I'm so excited about right now. Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Okay, this is worth $22. The secret to flawless makeup. Use the lightweight, finely milled powder as the last step in your makeup routine for a crease-free, soft focus matte finish. Tip. Take a fluffy brush and lightly sweep the powder all over the face to set your makeup. This is a luxury product. I mean, this is a $22 setting powder. But I'm super, super stoked. Ciate is like a legit brand. Like, I feel so bougie right now holding this powder. Like, I just want to throw it in my makeup bag and like pull it out and be like, on to the next. Show me your moo-moo. Show me your moo-moo. Brie robe. Just stepped out of the shower. planning a day of lounging, slip into this beautiful floral print robe, which features a removable belt and a high-low hem. $84. Girl, you heard me. $84 robe. So between the setting powder and this cute robe that I got, I've already made my money back. Look how cute this is. I'm about to put this on. Hold on. Ugh. Oh my gosh, how cute is this robe? So cute. Oh, it's polyester, but it doesn't feel like polyester. I don't know. It feels good. I like it. 11 by Venus. This is a jump rope. So this is cute. I'm not a jump roper, obviously, but somebody might like to win this on my channel or in my Facebook group, Southern Belle Beauty. I'm not going to say this correctly. Why? I don't know. Y'all look at it. Okay, I think it must be way because it says leave-in conditioner. We're way obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to soften, smooth, and detangle hair with moisturizing property and enhanced heat protection. Mist lightly through damp hair prior to brushing. And this value is $26. Oh my gosh. This is, it's very like perfume. Like it almost smells like Victoria's Secret or something like that. Yeah. We're going to try this tonight. Dr. Brandt. Anytime I see anything Dr. Brandt, I'm like, girl, I know that's got to be worth some money. So this is Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I don't know if I said this or not, but this is $42. It is. It's orange. And we ain't about to waste this. I'm about to straight put it on over my makeup. All right, next we have Levito, inspired by nature, mandarin orange and bergamot, aromatic body lotion. Hydrate, nourish, and protect. This one's kind of beat up, which I'm not real excited about. Deliciously scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types. It's $19.
I'm just gonna be smelling good and looking not tired in my
robe. It is very citrusy. Yeah, it's real citrusy. But I don't hate it. Okay, so this is, Champagne Charcoal Scrub by another name I'm going to butcher. That's how you know it's expensive. Manna Kadar. Formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, the Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. And it is worth $24. This is a huge container. 18.34 ounces.
and it says apply evenly onto the body while gently massaging the skin, then rinse. I don't know the hiccups. Rinse with water. Yeah, it pretty much says the same thing here. Do I test it on animals? I would like that.
Seriously? Oh, girl, we're not trying to waste none of this $24 body scrub. You better get back in there.
But that's quickly. I don't know. I smell so much like 75 different things right now.
It's very gritty, so I think it'll do a good job. You want some ASMR? Kind of sweet, but it's, I don't know, it's a different smell. Order your own. Figure it out yourself. I gotta go wipe this off. And last but not least, we have the Quay Australia sunglasses, and you would either get My Girl in Black Smoke or the Vivienne in Black Smoke. Be sunny, stay shady. That's super cute. I like that. These look big.
I mean, I don't know, but these are some $60 sunglasses. Are they cute? Oh, they're kind of cute.
All right, that is everything in the box. I am super pumped about everything I got. I think it's really cool. That sea latte powder in itself, like this with just those two things. So we're gonna get out our handy dandy calculators and let's calculate how much this box was actually worth based off of the products that I got.
So I got $84 robe. I got $60 sunglasses. I got $19 body lotion. I got $22 setting powder. I got a $15 jump rope. This should have sent me the face cleanser of the day detox brush because this should know I don't jump rope. And I got the $26 leave-in conditioner, the $42 Dr.Brandt skincare, and then I got another $24 body scrub. So a grand total was
For $49. Like, even if I just kept this, the robe, and the setting powder, this right here would have more than paid for itself. But I got sunglasses, I got lotion, I got a jump rope, I got body scrub. Like, I just feel like it's super worth it, and super, super cool. Myth or fact? Sleeping mask, translucent powders, leave-in conditioners. Are you using these booty... Are you using these beauty products correctly? Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was a little bit long. There was a lot of stuff in that box, which is why I wanted to share it with you because I feel like it is so worth it. Don't forget that I have linked the FabFitFun website and a discount code for $10 off of your first box. So that means that you can get your spring box. They're still selling the spring box. So you can get that for $10 off, which means you can get it for $39.99. And if you've watched this far, you will definitely feel like it is worth $39.99 for sure. So if you want to leave me a comment and click the subscribe button down below, I will enter your name into a drawing for this 11 jump rope and this $50 HelloFresh gift card. So if you would like to win either of these things, just make sure that you leave a comment down below and that you have subscribed to the channel. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm excited to use these products, let you know what I think about them, let you know what I feel about them, review them for you and all of that stuff. And I will see you on the next video. Love you, mean it.